teach it to me. Over hot beef, tell you about what the streets did to me. Chose me to be a prophet and lead my people. Murder I hear them heavy with it. Yo, I stay ready with it. Come try to test me with it. Regret you ever did it. Call who you pimpin', I got my own back. You got the baby paper, I got the grown stacks. But this ain't about no bread, not about what niggas said, not about what hoes believe. If you don't hear with me,
keep your ears wide open. All in, choking. Throw your motherfucking hands up in the air. Throw your hands up in the air. Better keep your ears open. All in, boasting. Throw your hands up in the motherfucking air.
yeah, I gotta come again just to let you know the deal. Ain't wasting company, beats come from doing real. We the niggas shit not nobody be fucking with. Slab riders, chopper city, had you bitches ducking quick. This ain't about who got the best, this ain't about who got the most. This is not no gangster rap, this ain't about no pimps and hoes. This here ain't no country shit, ain't no way to label this. This is where I come from, Orange Mound veteran. But I represent whoever live in poverty. Hard working niggas that try to hustle honestly. Man, I represent who looking good and feeling nice. Niggas on that drink and drove, fresh clothes full of ice. We gon' keep it slumming, coming with the dirtiest. If you from the gutter, then I know you heard of this. This ain't about where you from, this ain't about where you be. This here about feeling free. If you ain't here with me,
keep your ears wide open.